Welcome back to the channel. On a bit of fun today, because you may remember that I showcased this. It's new from Hamspiced. I'll put his address at the bottom now. And apart from the transistor which makes this a prototype, I had to put me another one on because the original was misplaced when it was manufactured. Well, we've had a bit of fun with it. Basically it's a 13.56 megahertz transmitter. And if I pop one of these little discs on that he also makes, you can see it lights up with the press of the button. And these are powered by CR2032. Now in the last video I showed a stack, and the idea was to put several of the repeater type things that he also sells in a stack and see if, you know, it lit up an LED with distance. And there we go. And that's important because if you take a regular LED and you pop it on, then it won't work to very much of a range. And to show that, I've got a little piece of foam here, put that on, put the disc on again, and we get nothing. Only when that's removed will this work. There we are. So the idea has been to see how much of a range I could get, and I thought that kind of thing was pretty good. Until I made another one I showed in the last video on these, which was twice the height, and then had a bit of an accident when I made an absolutely massive version. If I put that on there, and I'll put the little disc on the top that goes with it, so I've just got a little piece of foam underneath that one, and I'll try and put this on, and it hardly balances, but it does. And that is absolutely ridiculous, and did remind me of the Leaning Tower of Pisa. Absolutely the stupidest thing. And if I don't get this right, I'll have to clip to another section where I do get it right, because this might well fall over. But there's absolutely no way, is there, that that should light. Well, drum roll. Let's have a see. Oh, it's falling off. Wait a minute. Oh, and there we go. Start again. Okay, well I've left that bit in because it's a little bit comical, but it just shows you how daft this thing is. Let's have a look again at the height of it. Oh my word. Right, and of course, right, another drum roll. Let's see what happens. Unbelievably, it lights. And I can't even see where the energy would go through except for one little tiny bit. Maybe a line somewhere could be made, I don't know, but that is absolutely incredible to me, how that can light. So, what actually happened here was I put everything together and left the glue to dry overnight. And overnight, something happened and it was no longer straight. So we ended up with this shape here. But unbelievably it works still, and I can't work that out because there's no line going straight through. Absolutely incredible. Whee! There we go. So anyway, if you'd like to explore your own designs and challenges and see if you can get other stuff working, then Hamspiced does sell them, and I'm sure you'd have a great deal of fun as I'm having. But right, just a quick silly one, and thanks very much for watching.